Ever looked up on a dark night to see bright streaks shooting across the sky? These dazzling trails are meteor showers, a cosmic light show from space. Meteor showers happen when Earth crosses paths with streams of cosmic debris left by comets or asteroids. These streams are made up of tiny particles, often no larger than grains of sand. As Earth travels through these streams, the particles enter our atmosphere at high speeds. When these tiny particles hit our atmosphere, they burn up due to friction with the air, creating the bright flashes we see as meteors. These spectacular light shows can be seen from almost anywhere on Earth, especially during peak times when the showers are most active. These particles, called meteoroids, enter our atmosphere at blazing speeds, sometimes over 70 kilometers per second. The friction causes them to ignite, creating streaks of light that we often refer to as shooting stars. Though they look large from the ground, most meteoroids are no bigger than a grain of sand. When these tiny particles collide with the gases in our atmosphere, the intense heat generated causes them to burn up, producing the brilliant flashes of light we see. This phenomenon is a spectacular display of nature's power and beauty, reminding us of the vastness and mystery of our universe. Some meteor showers occur annually, giving us regular stargazing events. The Perseids in August and the Geminids in December are among the brightest and most popular, drawing thousands of skywatchers each year. To catch a meteor shower, find a spot far from city lights. The darker the surroundings, the better your chances of seeing the meteors clearly. On a clear, moonless night, the sky becomes a perfect canvas for the celestial show. Look up, relax, and let your eyes adjust to the darkness. It might take a few minutes, but patience is key. The best time to witness this spectacle? Just before dawn, when the sky is at its darkest and the stars are most visible. During this time, you can see dozens of meteors lighting up the sky, creating a breathtaking and unforgettable experience. So, grab a blanket, lie back, and enjoy the show. So next time a meteor shower is on the calendar, grab a blanket, head outside, and enjoy the universe's natural fireworks show. Subscribe to Natural Events Explained for more amazing insights and discoveries into the wonders of our vast universe.